Math 102, example 4.1.2, composition of functions. Now that looks a little bit like the word fog. That circle in the middle is actually the composition function, so we do read that as f composed with g, but you can say fog if you'd rather. And that is f of g of x. So we're going to take the second function and put it inside the first function. So let's say I've got f of x is 8x plus 1, and g of x is 5x plus 6. So fog, again, that's f of g of x. What is f, or g, is 5x minus 6. So what that notation then means to do is everywhere in f that I see an x, I replace it with 5x minus 6. To get 8, replacing, I get 5x minus 6, and then plus 1. And then let's simplify that. So I get 40x minus 48 plus 1, which is 40x minus 47. Now, we can go both ways. That was fog. What about Goff? So Goff, that's g of f of x. So in other words, g of 8x plus 1. I've got the same two functions. So now everywhere in g that I have an x, I replace it with an 8x plus 1. To get 5 times 8x plus 1 minus 6. And let's see how that simplifies. I get 40x plus 5 minus 6, which is 40x minus 1. One of the big things that I would like to notice here is that my results for part A and part B of this problem are different, even though I use the same two functions. In other words, the order in which you compose makes a difference. So if we ask for fog and we do Goff instead, we're probably going to get the wrong answer. So we do need to be careful and make sure to compose the correct direction.